Hello guys, welcome to Everything Smartphone. Today I am going to unbox the newest Realme phone called Realme 5 Pro. We will see what is in the box and how's the phone. But before starting the video, if you're new here, then please subscribe to this channel right now. Also make sure to press the bell icon so that you never miss our future updates. Here we go. Let me grab this magical knife. Let's unbox it. So the box looks very ordinary, nothing special. In this part, it has basic specs details. Okay, let's open the box now. A tiny box. Let's see what is in here. A user manual with quality data, a quick guide, and a transparent silicone case, which feels kinda hard to me. Okay, now here is the phone. But I will side the phone for a moment. Let's see what else in the box. Under that, it has this book flash charger, very good in build quality. Then a USB Type-C cable, which is also in better quality. And now get back to the phone. Oh, there has a SIM tray opener too. And now let's take out the phone. The phone is not too wide, so feels comfortable in hand, especially tiny hand like me will get better grip. In the back, it has a crystal design which is kinda like diamond cut. Whatever it is very premium. And it has 4 cameras on the back. All the camera aligned in the tiny camera bump on the left side. Start with the ultra wide lens and then a 48 megapixel main camera and a depth sensor lens and a macro lens. Also, it has a dual LED flash on the side of camera bump, but the back is too much fingerprint magnet. And the fingerprint sensor position seems pretty much okay. On the bottom, it has a headphone jack, USB Type-C port, a speaker and a microphone. On the top, there has a noise cancelling microphone too. On the right side, it has a power button which is in the perfect and volume buttons on the left side. And a dewdrop notch on the top of the display with a speaker for calling, but there has no notification alert in the phone. Okay, now put up the phone. First thing first, it has a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display with a 90.6% screen to body ratio. And this is a full HD resolution display with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and the PPI density is 409. That is the specs, but in real life display looks very good. Colors are accurate and vibrant. And the ColorOS 6 is also very clean and feels smoother. Realme 5 Pro has been running on Android 9 Pie. In future, they may be updated that to Android 10. And it has Snapdragon 712 octa-core processor. Let's check the fingerprint sensor. Yeah, this is really fast. And face unlock seems pretty much okay. In the back, it has 4 different cameras. Let's take some pictures with every lens. Focusing speed and color looks very decent. In the front, it has a 16 megapixel Sony IMX camera which is capable to take good selfie. As you can see, image looks sharp, but I feel this is kinda over sharpening. Also, you can take portrait with the front camera and portrait looks good. Very soon I will make a video about the camera quality of Realme 5 Pro, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to watch that video. This device is currently available in 2 color variants, crystal green and sparkling blue. Also available in 3 different storage options: 4GB RAM with 64GB internal storage, 6GB RAM with 64GB internal storage and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. If you want to check the latest price of this phone, check out the links in the description below. And within next few days, I will provide a in-depth review of this phone after checking everything. And that is all for now in our Realme 5 Pro unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then smash the like button and comment down below. Share this video with your friends and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, I am your host Omid signing out.